An unhappy hedgehog is found.
Take them back to the rescue center for treatments.
Peel off the skin of aloe vera to make aloe vera cream. The aloe vera cream can help the hedgehog Wow, the spines are all regrown! The hedgehog likes to eat fruits, vegetables, and insects. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The hedgehog lives in the forest. Goodbye, hedgehog. The neck of the rhinoceros is stuck in the tire. Let's help it. Keep going. The rhinoceros is almost free. The neck of the rhinoceros is injured. Its horn is also broken. Turn the handle to make a new horn for the rhinoceros. Smooth. Awesome! The rhinoceros has a new horn. The rhinoceros is stuck in the tire. Let's help it. Keep going. The rhinoceros is almost free. The neck of the rhinoceros is injured. Its horn is also broken. Turn the handle to make a new horn for the rhinoceros. Smooth out the broken edges of the horn. Awesome! The rhinoceros has a